In previous lecture we discussed something about the chamber, and we have seen a long pipe for inlet. So what I did, I just remove that pipe because through that pipe there is no such reaction will takes place. So from the inlet, where you can see here inlet, this inlet, two inlets are there and two outlets. So inlet, I have tried to use mesh with the density option, so that here I want required maximum mesh size at two places because these are the very small pieces. Okay, so here I want more mesh. For that purpose I have defined density 111. I have selected the points. In that way I did define the meshing. Then I will go here, I will use scale factor, apply, and as I mentioned in last video also, I have define label the inlet outlet, two inlets and one outlet. So this one is outlet, this part is outlet. Okay, and these two parts are inlet. So I will go for mesh, then tetra mesh, compute mesh, yes, replace, because I tried before. It means I just check whether I am getting that mesh or not. It will take some time. And because of this longer type there was a meshing problem. It means we required to mesh that pipe also, and it will consume more you can say mesh size. To avoid that, what I did, I just removed that pipes and I only kept two inlets, which is nothing but you can see here. Okay, now you can see here mesh is ready, and whatever the density option we have created, we will make it solid, and you can see at this inlet there is a dense mesh. I am getting it, maximum more mesh are there. Okay, at inlet. Now you can see other part of the inlet. Here also you can see, yeah, these things one need to, it means smallest dimension of your geometry, it should have capture the mesh elements. Otherwise if mesh elements will be more, at that time it could not capture the radius of the pipe. That's why I have used density mesh. Then go for edit mesh, say check mesh, apply. So delete unconnected vertices, go for quality mesh, say apply, 0.36, that is good. Again up, yes, done. Then go for, so when you go in output, then you can see the first option, that is Fluent V6. that is output solver, and common solver ANSYS. See apply. Go in a boundary condition. You can see fluid is there, which is inside the domain, and whatever the fluid which we will going to mix, we will attach on surface. Okay, so that here we are having inlet 1, inlet 2. There we will give fluid. Okay, then no parameters. It's 3D project. It is chamber. Save. Just wait. I will save project first. Here this is chamber. Yes, I want to replace it. Then I will go for save. Geometry. So open. Here I can say GSF2 density 1 chamber. Done. So likewise one can do meshing. Yes, we need to wait for another message. Yes, done with translation. So it is all about how we can do meshing